People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps located Purple Butterfly soaps.myshopify.com, my blog Purple Butterfly people.blogspot.com. And this is the mirror installed on the easel and is not leaning against the wall. It is fully supported by the easel. I got a laundry rack over there. But basically, it's in my bathroom because where I need to put it, I can't put it for a couple of days because there's an inspection about to happen and they need access to the fuse box. And this is usually in front of the fuse box. So instead of having people move the mirror, move the easel, so forth, so on, I just moved it in here. And my neighbor said he's willing to move it back after the inspection. So in the meantime, I have this really gorgeous mirror in my bathroom. Thank you, JoJo. I just wanted to show you how it looks installed. The filigree finials, I found out that's what they're called, looks really good next to the mirror. It's like it was made for it. So, yeah. This has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My soaps are located at PurpleButterfly soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, PurpleButterfly people.blogspot.com. And if nothing else, it'll be real good to see how I look full face instead of being on the floor and I see the bottom half and then I use the mirror over here to see the top half. That was a little annoying. It's like you get dressed in one room and then you double check in another room. At least for right now, I could just double check in the same room. In the meantime, that's the mirror installed, and I'm fin to go play in my hair. This is the hairstyle I have for right now for jury duty. Let's see. But I need to put some gel on the sides there because it's getting a little fluffy, frizzy because it rained today. So, yeah. But in the meantime, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. Oh, excuse me. My soaps located PurpleButterfly soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, PurpleButterfly people.blogspot.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.